This week in class, we have been working on creating a summary over what we have been reading. A summary means a short account of the ideas of the text. A summary is not your opinion of the book, it is not giving background knowledge of the book, and it is not a place for personal information. When we summarize, we want to make sure that we are reading the text and that we think about what was this text actually about. Your answer should be a complete sentence. It should cover the main point. It should be in your own words, and it should be one whole sentence. So let's look at an example. If we were to use the nursery rhyme, The Itsy Bitsy Spider, we're essentially asking ourselves the questions who, what, where, when, and why. So if we have the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the water spout, down came the rain and washed the spider out, up came the sun and dried up all the rain, the itsy bitsy spider climbed up the spout again. The who in this story is the itsy bitsy spider. What did he do? He climbed up the water spout. When the rain came and washed him out, where was he at? In the water spout. And why was he doing this? So that he could get up the water spout. So that is our summary of our nursery rhyme, The Itsy Bitsy Spider. Another strategy that we can use is using a summary hand. And this is when we are able to think, after we read, we think about who, which would be the characters, the what are they doing, where is our setting, so where is this taking place, and when, what time or when is this happening. And then, of course, we have our why. So we can fill in our chart, and then we can write our summary in our hand, because remember that a summary is just one sentence.